What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirtnation Offroad. So today we're doing an install and review of the pedal commander. Now, the pedal commander is made for vehicles with an electronic pedal, allowing you to kind of use this as a tuning box to adjust your throttle for different situations. In this video, we're going to be installing it on a 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Offroad, which is fitting because I would say the vehicle that can benefit the most from a pedal commander is a third-gen Tacoma. These trucks are great all around, but one of the biggest issues with them is throttle response and acceleration, and the pedal commander fixes both of those. In addition, the Tacoma we're installing this on is in a perfect situation to benefit from the pedal commander's features. It's lightly modded with a small lift, 35s, no re-gear, no other significant performance mods. Next, what we'll do is we'll show you what's inside the packaging, which honestly isn't much, and then we'll do the install, which is very, very easy. Then we'll jump on the road, we'll do a road test, and then we'll get the driver's reactions, and then we'll show you some of the features, some of the Bluetooth features, and different things that you can do with the pedal commander, and then we'll go from there. Let's get started. Inside the packaging is actually pretty straightforward. You just gotta push the cap open, then you're gonna pull whole thing out, and then there's the pedal commander right there. So it's literally two plugs. What you're gonna go ahead and do is unplug the electronic pedal and then just put this in between both, and then it's as simple as that. And then from there you just got to mount it. So there's the pedal commander right there. Then we have some dashboard wipes so you can clean up the area where you're gonna put your sticky mount, and then you actually have this sticky mount, which is Velcro with I'm guessing 3M on both sides, so you got that right there. A couple zip ties, and then we have some paperwork. And then that's the info to download the app so that you can do some Bluetooth control, but we'll show you that in just a second. All right, let's find out how dirty Jason's Tacoma is. It looks better than mine. Everyone, welcome Jason back to the channel. So to install this is actually very easy. So what we're gonna do is, you can see the electronic pedal up in there. We're gonna have to unplug that electronic pedal, and then we go ahead and just plug this in, and then plug this into the wiring harness, and then mounting this. And it's literally, that's all you got to do. So we're gonna get in there and just bam, and then we'll go ahead and take the commander. So that one clicked into place, and then we got to find the wiring harness. Bam, there it is, plugged in. So you can see it is two plugs right there. So what we're gonna do now is just feed this into the dash so that it pops out right here, and we're gonna mount it up right there. Jason's got the Velcro mount. I'm gonna peel off one side. He already went and cleaned it with the dash wipe, so this is nice and clean.
Yeah, that's actually really nice and sticky too.
He's got the other side Velcro on there, and then we're gonna just stick the pedal commander on there. Now what's pretty cool is we didn't actually show you, there's actually a little case to where if you want to take the pedal commander off for whatever reason, it still has a little case on there, and then this has Velcro so you can actually separate that from there. But if you want to just place it back into place, you can go ahead and do that. Good to go. Paperwork inside, on one side you got the pedal commander, and then on this side you can see it has tags to Google Play as well as Apple, so it has apps for both, and then you have all the social media accounts for pedal commander. You guys can follow them there. Let's fire up the truck. So there's a power button, which is the star right here. So right now there's no lights, that means it is completely off. So you can press the button, it'll start off on city, press it again, go to sport, sport plus, and then it'll turn off, and then I think you hold it to go to eco. So if you hold it, you go to eco, and then you can increase and decrease sensitivity. So you have plus and minus, then you have +4 and -4. So if you want to go eco -4, see how it's on the -4 and red, that means it's on -4. This will be the least amount of throttle response that you can have on the truck. And this will be for like, you're really like, if you want to go eco mode, it'll drive slow, it'll, you know, kind of save you some gas. And then you can go to, let's say Sport Plus, and you can go all the way up to +4 and Sport Plus, to where if you touch the throttle, it's literally like instant. There's a total of 32 different settings between Eco Mode, City, Sport, Sport Plus, and then you have 8 different settings in between all of those. We have it set up right there. Bam, settings are set up. If you turn off the truck, turn the truck on again. So it's gonna cycle around and then it should go back to, there you go. See, the same setting that we were on. So it's back to Sport Plus. So cool stuff there. We ended up getting it set up. So you just have to use the serial number that you'll find on the back of the pedal commander. So let's put this girl back right there and we'll show you some of the features of the app. They are already connected. So caution, you're about to connect to a pedal commander, Bluetooth, yes. Trying to connect. Now we're connected, so you can see right now it's on Sport Plus. We can press Sport, and you can see how it changes on the pedal commander itself. So we got Eco mode, change, bada bing. So you can turn it off, see? Turn it back on, and then you can increase sensitivity and decrease sensitivity. It's pretty cool. So you can control it on here, but if you want to just control it on your phone, you can go ahead and do that with the Bluetooth. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna set up a camera and we're gonna get a response on the road test, and we're gonna set Jason up on Sport Plus, and we're gonna see how he deals with that, because right now with stock gearing, how do you feel this truck moves?
Dog.
Yeah, it's a dog, honestly. Any Tacoma owner out there, you guys know, if you put this truck on 35s with stock gearing, no performance mods, it is a dog. And we're gonna be looking to change that today. So we're gonna go +4 sport mode. So before we hit the road, he's using the couple provided zip ties to clean it up a little bit. Tuck that in there and then bam, we're good to go. All right, Jason, when you're ready. Just make sure we're in reverse. Kerchoo.
Okay, which way we go?
Yeah, it don't matter.
Oh yeah, even backwards. Holy shit.
Felt it right away, huh?
Oh yeah, no, that's, haha, that is a great difference. Literally, I had to. Oh yeah.
See?
that's gonna be a learning curve.
Yeah. Well, I mean, and the good thing is you can change it to
Right.
whatever setting you want. So if let's say you're not, this is for like extremely spirited driving.
Yeah.
If you want to go to more city, you know, you can turn it down to city to where it'll probably be like a little bit better than stock. Or if you go eco mode, that'll be like less response than stock, but it's just going to be a dog, but it's for the purpose of
Fuel
saving
economy.
gas.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's like barely touching the throttle.
Barely.
Like that would have been
touching.
floored.
Yeah, that would have been flooring it before, just to even get that kick down.
Yeah.
But it'll kick down so much easier just with this hooked up.
Right.
We're going to set it to eco.
Dog mode.
Eco -4.
Where's the gas pedal?
Look at
I'm almost floored, dude. What
yeah.
the fuck?
Are you really? Yeah, look at that. He's flooring it. Next stoplight, we're gonna go ahead and set them up on. We're gonna go regular city, and then this will probably be the most consistent, like what you're used to driving experience. Yeah, close to it. It still it still has a little bit of a jump to it, right?
Yeah, I think it's a little bit more peppy than the stock, but pretty close.
Hold the throttle the same as you're holding it right now. See how that I changed it to sport and
I didn't move my foot.
Didn't even move your foot, and it just went.
Yeah.
That's the difference between, you know, city and
that's awesome.
Sport Plus is like,
and the cool thing is it's a simple fix that anybody can do.
yeah, and that's the cool thing is like it took us less than a minute to install it. You know, you put it on there and then bam.
I would say for any Tacoma owner, that's a quick smile. Like that's an easy fix to
quick
a problem.
dopamine hit, huh?
Yeah.
Road test is over. Jace, what do you think?
2 thumbs up on that one.
Two thumbs up. We're gonna get 3. I'm gonna.
Yeah, it's a wise investment on the Tacoma.
Absolutely,
super simple, easy.
Makes it so much better for these trucks. Like, you guys have no idea. Just watch the clip when he first backed it out right here, and he's like, "Whoa!" Like,
yeah.
Absolutely. But that's pretty much all we have for the install of the pedal commander on this Tacoma. Now, although we installed it on a Toyota Tacoma, any vehicle that has an electronic pedal can benefit from the pedal commander's features. So go ahead and check out the link that we're going to have down below in the description. You guys can search for your vehicles because they make these for so many different vehicles. Regardless if it's off-road or otherwise, trucks, cars, they make them for a lot of different vehicles. So check the link down below. You can search for your vehicle, pick up your next best upgrade for your rig. But we're all done here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon. You also hit us up for shirts, hats, hoodies, and all those other goodies at our brand new online store, Dirt Nation Offroad, BigCartel.com. Check it out. We'll have it linked down below as well. But thank you guys. We'll see you again next time.
Dirtnation.